Dalia, also known as broken wheat or bulgur wheat, is a cereal grain which is an integral part of all Indian households. On hearing this word, what happens is that many of us tend to make faces or we just run away from it and try avoid eating it. But do you know or are you aware that from a health point of view, Dalia is very good for our health? With more and more people becoming health conscious in the recent times, it is very important that we are all aware about the amazing health benefits of Dalia and we include it more in our daily diet because it is a powerhouse of nutrients. And so let us know all about it. And so without delaying any further, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Dalia is an integral part of Indian cuisine which is generally consumed when somebody is sick. But what needs to be understood here is that Dalia, which is made from broken wheat, should be made more a part of our diet. Why? Because it is an Indian superfood with many health benefits. And the best part about Dalia is that it can be consumed at any time of the day, either during your breakfast, lunch or dinner. Because it is easy to digest and it is loaded with nutrients and has many added benefits. So let us know all about the health benefits of Dalia, which you probably did not know of, and how it can actually boost our health, which is very important. Following is the nutritional content data of Dalia, and it can tell us how much nutritional value 1 cup of Dalia can provide to our body. Constipated and you want relief from it, then Dalia is the perfect solution for you. Because Dalia is basically a broken wheat along with a husk portion which makes it very rich in fiber and due to which it is a very good laxative. This helps to cleanse our intestine and allow our digestive system to work properly so that all toxins and waste products can be easily flushed out from our body. It also helps to regulate bowel movement in our body, which can help to prevent constipation. Also, because of the high fiber content, the consumption of Dalia can also reduce problems of abdominal pain, gas and bloating. Dalia or broken wheat contains complex carbohydrates and it is very low in glycemic index, due to which when we consume Dalia, glucose is slowly and steadily released into our blood, which helps to manage our blood sugar levels. And that is why this makes them a very perfect food option for people with diabetes or PCOS and PCOD and allows them to stay healthy. So do add Dalia to your diet without any further delay to prevent insulin resistance or to manage your insulin resistance naturally. Dalia is very nutritious and can provide all essential nutrients to our body such as fiber, proteins, minerals and B vitamins. And that is why they are way more healthier than your packaged foods. Plus, they contain no preservatives, due to which they are an ideal food option for people of all age groups, especially your growing children. In today's times, people are more prone to developing cholesterol issues or keeping their cholesterol levels in range. But eating Dalia can help you a lot in this case because of their high fiber content and because they are rich in minerals, which can help to manage your cholesterol levels and keep it in control. And therefore, eating Dalia is also very good for our heart and can keep it healthy. The best part about eating Dalia is that though it appears to be a very light meal, it is a very good source of energy. And it can actually provide our body with strength throughout the day because they contain good amounts of carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals which can replenish our body with energy. Dalia can be digested easily, and by consuming dalia, our body's metabolic rate increases, which keeps our weight in control. Also, consuming dalia is very good for weight loss because it is low in fat content, and because consuming dalia creates a feeling of fullness in our body, which prevents overeating and weight loss. Dalia is rich in magnesium and calcium, which helps to strengthen our bones. Also, other than that, it helps to gain muscle mass because they are a very good source of proteins and vitamins, which helps in building muscles. So, if you are someone who wants to build muscles or gain muscle mass, then dalia is actually a very good food option for you. Dalia contains betaine, which is a metabolic component that helps to reduce the levels of homocysteine in our body, which can otherwise lead to chronic inflammation. So if we consume dalia as part of our daily diet, it can help to reduce chronic inflammation in our body, which is very important. Other than that, in comparison to the refined grains, dalia is a whole grain. And so consumption of dalia can help our body fight against metabolic syndromes such as obesity, high blood pressure, high triglyceride levels, and insulin resistance. Dalia is a complete meal which is loaded with a range of macronutrients and micronutrients which can keep us full for a long time and prevent hunger pangs or prevent us from binging on high fat foods. And that is why we should include dalia or broken wheat more in our diet. These days, with focus shifting more towards healthy living, people are opting for more nutritious meal options to be added in their diet. And dalia and broken wheat is very healthy food option due to which every one of us must include it in our diet. The best part about dalia is that it can be cooked easily and many tasty dishes can be made out of it. Dalia is a great choice if you want to reduce your rice consumption. Or you can also prepare dalia using different vegetables like carrots, beans, capsicum, or even different lentils, which is super healthy and super tasty at the same time. And that is why we may have seen our mothers, specifically in the Indian households, to always be in favor of eating dalia and also pushing us for the same because it is so healthy. However, one thing which is very important to know about dalia is that when you are consuming dalia, portion size is very important. A regular to medium portion size is very good for you and can keep you full for a long time. But never consume or eat dalia in excessive amounts, because then it can cause unwanted side effects such as gas and bloating. So do include more of dalia and broken wheat in your diet, but do take portion size into consideration. So that's it for today. I hope you find today's video useful and you include more of dalia and broken wheat in your diet. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video more and more with your friends and family so that it can benefit them too. Love your life and make it charismatic. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.